Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to get started with the Louise Base in the shade Rumor 3. And I'm going to put a lot on this palette so I don't have to keep going back and pouring more of the base on. And I'm only going to use the 3 today. I'm not going to use the Rumor 1. The two palettes I'm using today is Juvia's Place, the Nomad, and the Tribe. And I'm going to go in the Nomad with this nude to put over the Louise Base so the eyeshadow that I put there doesn't crease. I'm going to take this dark brown from the Nomad and use my Morphe M332 brush and pack that in my natural crease. And then I'm going to blend it with my Morphe M504 brush. And then when I do these cut crease blending applications, I always put my hand on my forehead and raise my eyebrow. It helps it to blend more. I'm going to go into the Tribe palette into this green and take my Morphe E18 brush. And I'm going to pack that where the brown is and then take my Morphe M504 brush and blend it. I added some more green because naturally I just needed some more eyeshadow to blend, and I blended this with my ABH Cosmetics brush now. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to wipe away where the eyeshadow is where I'm about to cut my crease because I'm going to put yellow right there and I don't want any green to show through the yellow. I'm taking the Morphe M167 brush and I'm packing both sides with the Louise Base. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And then I'm going to blend out all of that Louise Base with a BH Cosmetics brush so it doesn't like be clumpy. I'm going to go into the Nomad brown and put that right outside the Louise Base in my outer corner. And then after you put on the Louise Base, you always want to put an eyeshadow on top of that just because that Louise Base can be patchy if you don't seal it with the eyeshadow first. I'm going to go into the Nomad and go into this yellow and just pack that where I have the Louise Base and also spray my brush with toning mist. But you can use water. And this is a Luxie brush. I got it from my Ipsy bag. And then I'm going to go into the dark green in the Nomad palette with my Morphe M505 brush. And I'm just going to blend the yellow and the brown together with that dark green. And then I'm going to put on my lashes. This is the same face routine that I do on all my videos, except this time I'm just correcting a few spots on my face with some orange concealer. But if you want a more detailed version, you can go in my blue and silver cut crease tutorial, and I can put that in the description box below. And the brushes that I'm using for my foundation and my concealer are the Morphe M444 brushes. But I have two, one for my foundation and then one for my concealer. And then I'm going to add some color to my face with the Milani Red Vino blush. For my highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. And I use two highlighters from this palette. And I really like this one. I don't really use this one that much, but I really like the glow it gave, so I'm gonna use this some more. I'm gonna use this dark brown from the Nomad and use that as the color I'm gonna use in my waterline, just to make my eye a little bit more bold. And then for my lips, I want to use a brown lip liner, Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Sweet Pea. This has become my favorite lately, and my boyfriend loves it on me, so I've been using it more because it's really, really cute. It's a real nice pink. And then I'm using the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Trace Luches because I love lip gloss. And then the Morphe Setting Spray. Everybody has been hating this lately, but I love it, so I suggest you go get it. It smells real good. You want to make sure you fan the Morphe spray when you're done spraying it. And this is the finished look. I hope you all like it. Please subscribe if you aren't subscribed. Like this video. And I'll see you all next time.